Everyone, welcome back to Think with Sachin. Today, we are talking about something that is super important in marketing, which is the type of advertiser. Whether you are a student, marketer, or a business owner, knowing these categories will help you to understand how brand connect with their audiences. Let's break it down. That is B2C, B2B, D2C, and B2G. So, firstly, we will start with B2C advertisers. B2C, which means business to consumer. These are the advertisers that sell directly to end customers like you and me. Example, like clothing brands, restaurant, electronic companies. They focus on emotional appeals, discount, and mass advertising through TV, social media, and influencer marketing. Next comes B2B advertisers. B2B means business to business. Here, advertisers sell products or services to other businesses. For example, a software company selling CRM tools to another marketing agency or another company. Here, B2B advertising is more logic driven, focusing on ROI, efficiency, and long term value. You will often see them on LinkedIn, trade shows, or industry magazines. The next come D2C advertisers. D2C means direct to consumers. Unlike traditional B2C, D2C brands, they skip the middleman and sell directly through their own websites and app, which means D2C brands skip the middleman and sell directly through their websites or apps. Example, online mattresses brands, skincare brands selling via Instagram. They focus on storytelling, social media ads, and influencer partnerships to build strong brand customer relationship. The next one is B2G advertisers. B2G means business to government. Here companies sell product or services to government agencies. Example, IT firms providing cybersecurity to government departments. Advertising here is less about mass ads and more about proposals, tenders, and relationship building with the policymakers. So that's the four types of advertiser which we discussed. B2C for consumers, B2B for businesses, D2C for direct brands, D2G for government. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more marketing insights. Thank you.